I think a day that everybody at OCC will remember was the day that everybody demolished my car.
Time to retire the Nissan, Mikey.
I had just driven my car in like any day. It was sort of on its last leg, but I was holding on to it for sentimental purposes. And everybody just started pummeling the vehicle with various different objects like bats.
Whack it good, Keith.
Yeah, blow the back window out.
I didn't give any permission for this, but once the car was hit, once or twice, good one.
If anybody was going to have to do this, it was going to be me, because she was my baby.
Everybody saw what was going on. They came out, and they wanted to join in, and it was almost like a riot.
See everybody just beat the crap out of it, kind of.
It was frightening and exhilarating at the same time.
How could you do it, Vin? It hurt. That car still has vengeance left in its spirit. Oh, that thing could explode.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, let's flip it.
It's all Mikey stuff.
Let's get it back over. Look at this there.
I can't bear to watch this anymore.
Push it!
Perfect.
Even though I really miss my car and it was demolished, I really can appreciate the fact that I think it was fairly therapeutic for everybody involved that day.
Going home, guys. I love it, man. I would drive this thing to work. This thing's great.
Smash the dumpster.
Drive it right in the woods.
Push the dumpster in. Rick, your car is gone. I want to hit it full speed. Ah, this is gonna hurt.
I hope all of you die.
Then Vinny got in the car, and he drove down a hill into a dumpster. And I felt kind of betrayed by that because Vinny is a car guy, and I would have thought that he'd care a little more.
Get a big tow chain. We'll yank it right out of here.
Hold on.
Yeah, don't have to rip it yet.
Hang on.
Go get him, Daddy.
All right, hook it up again.
Good.
Don't not to yank it. Just get it out.
Yeah, don't yank it, just get it out. The pin's in it.
Whoa. Start it up.
You want to take it for one last ride, bud?
Vin, don't twist the dagger. It was a beautiful car. Revenge will be mine on all.
The day they demolished my car, I had mixed emotions about it. On one hand, I loved blowing things up and beating on them and watching glass smash. And on the other hand, I was really attached to that car and I loved it. And they took it from me.